Hi everyone. So today I'm going to be talking about two technologies that I would like to learn more about, incorporating them hopefully into my future classrooms. And the first is the iPad. During student teaching, the school I was in was fortunate enough to have iPads for every student in kindergarten. And in the 6 weeks that I was there, I saw them used maybe once. And that's why I want to sort of venture out on my own and to learn more about how I could have gone about incorporating them into the classroom a little bit better. I have found this article. It's called Using an Exploratory Professional Development Initiative into Introducing iPads in the Early Childhood Education Classroom. For me, I'm certified birth through sixth, and I know that a lot of the iPads and things that I see are for high school, middle school, adolescent education. And so this article is really interesting to me. And something that it does say here is children that are not described as digitally natives can be found overwhelmed by the complexity of the technology if not guided towards an appropriate application. So I found myself thinking of how we could get an app up and loaded for the students to use without having to explain it in such a complex way. And on this website provided by our professor, I found a product called the Reflector, and it allows you to project what's on your iPad directly onto your smartboard screen or your projector, so that you could do, a hands-on, step-by-step introduction of the app you would like them to use, and they could see it in front of them as well on the projector to help ease them into the technology as it's new for them as well for me. The second piece of technology that I'm really interested in learning more about is the Class Dojo. So for me, I don't have a classroom yet, and so I don't really have, any student list names or anything. So when I downloaded the program, it's free. I have a demo class here, and I love to see everything about it. And what interests me most about this is how you can have the parents be involved as well. So with elementary school, sending home newsletters and everything are very important to keep the parents involved. And I love that it can show, oh, today everyone did a wonderful job on this project, and we can keep everyone informed and going. Another thing that I found was another video on the website from our professor, the lynda.com. It was another video on Class Dojo and how to use it for classroom management. And that definitely interests me a lot. Positives, there's negatives, and you can say if they're on task, working hard, and that's really cool how it, it's all right there for your students and parents and staff to see. The last thing about Class Dojo that I saw from this sort of how-to with classroom management and behaviors is that you can look at the whole class and see how they did for the day. And maybe, as a substitute, I really see, we always say, oh, you guys were better last time, or, we're just having an off day. And it would be great to have that sort of just marked out here. You could put it on the projector on the smartboard and show the class how we did today.